Indeed, Your Excellency, we are privileged that you have bestowed upon us this honor. This charter is not only a testament to our commitment to the education of our intelligence professional and community, but also a promise to securing our nation's future. The journey towards this charter, Your Excellency, has been long and winding. We reflect on it with nostalgia and focus a brighter future. The turn of the millennium necessitated the need to respond to the changing threat environment. To achieve this goal, the service collaborated with various institutions, including the ones mentioned, but in particular, University of Nairobi, the Australian National University, and Strathmore University, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, our strength lies in the capacity of the faculty that we have built over the years. We pride in our ability to deliver both theoretical and practical understanding of intelligence and national security that translates into professional experience. The rising demand for our faculty in the region provides an opportunity to advance our national interest. Notably, Your Excellency, NIRU faculty is supporting the Rwandese service to establish a similar institution, while also delivering lectures in Mozambique and Uganda. While our efforts have invariably contributed towards professionalism of intelligence, sustainability remains a challenge. With this in mind, Your Excellency, we have embarked on a deliberate process to establish a Center of Excellence in Intelligence Research in a cost-effective manner. Through the legal notice number 96 of June 11, 2021, the National Intelligence and Research University College was established as a constituent of National Defense University, Kenya. This journey would not have been possible without the efforts of my predecessors. Their collective vision and shared values have led to the establishment of a pioneer specialized university in intelligence education in Africa. We also acknowledge the leadership of the National Defense University, Kenya, for mentorship throughout this journey, Your Excellency.
Chartering the National Intelligence Research University is especially timely as Kenya faces complex security challenges such as terrorism and cyber threats. In addition, the importance of high standards in training our security sector professionals cannot be overstated. We expect the National Intelligence and Research University to play a crucial role in equipping our intelligence officers and professionals to safeguard the nation and to intensify its focus on cutting-edge research and innovation in national security. I view this charter as both a commitment to academic excellence and a significant investment in our nation's security and stability. Additionally, I expect the National Intelligence and Research University to support Kenya's digital economy by aligning its academic and research programs with Vision 2030, the Fourth Medium-Term Plan, and the Bottom-Up Economic Transformation Agenda, all of which emphasize the role of technology and research in national development. By focusing on security as a global public good, the university will contribute to the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly Goal number 16, which promotes peace, justice, and strong institutions. The National Intelligence Research University will not only serve as a center for learning, but also as a hub for research and innovation, and the engine that will enable Kenya to remain a leader in regional and global security agenda. For this reason, I encourage the National Intelligence and Research University to expand its reach by admitting students from the Global South to foster a more diverse understanding of our security sector. At this stage in our development history, universities must align education and training with national, regional, and global development ambition. They should also ensure that the competence-based curriculum complements the bottom-up economic transformation agenda and Vision 2030. As I confer these charters, I urge both institutions to uphold the highest standards of academic excellence, ethical and moral commitment, and to contribute meaningfully to societal development. This is how we shall actualize and validate education as a tool for transformation, not merely a means of acquiring certification. I encourage both universities to bear their responsibility with integrity and dedication in their endeavor to inclusively uplift society. I also call on the Commission for University Education to be diligent in its oversight, ensuring that our universities achieve and sustain high regional and international standards. As you can appreciate, today marks only the beginning. The journey ahead requires a relentless pursuit of excellence, knowledge, continuous innovation, and transformation to position Kenya as a global leader across many sectors.
Today is an historic day for the National Intelligence and Research University. We express our profound gratitude for the Charter Award. We are deeply encouraged for your acceptance, Your Excellency, to be our Chancellor and commitment to support the university. We also extend our heartfelt appreciation to our local and international partners who have sent us messages of goodwill on this special occasion, Your Excellency. These messages remind us that the National Intelligence and Research University is part of a larger educational and professional ecosystem and professional community.
Allow us to take this opportunity to congratulate you, Your Excellency. And thank you for taking up that responsibility. And now, Your Excellency, I would like to request, in the very same order, which is beginning with the Charter, so the Vice-Chancellor is now fully empowered to implement. Then we have the maize. We have the logo. We have the seal. And finally, we have the accreditation report, which again contains our detailed evaluation of the university and what we have asked them to do. This is one for National Intelligence Research University. The logo has got the eagle as well. You may see some colors there. And finally, we have the accreditation report, which again contains our detailed evaluation of the university and what we have asked them to do. It's a similar document to the one that we give to the Islamic University. This is one for National Intelligence Research University. As you can see, the maize is, well, you can see the emblems at the top. There's an eagle, and I'm told that that's an eagle that is indigenous to Africa. It is their commitment to research in Africa. And similarly, you can see that the logo has got the eagle as well. You may see some colors there. And similarly, their seal is the one they are going to be using to emboss their documents to show the authority. And the next one will be the accreditation report. Your Excellency, if Commission for University Education has visited and inspected this.
Will be a mechanism that will...
To His Excellency the President with recommendations thereof. Your Excellency, sir, now I would like to invite the Chairman, Commission...
To our students, I applaud your vision, your passion, our esteemed Board of Trustees, whose vision and leadership have shaped this
support and friendship. The President of the Republic of Kenya, for his heartfelt congratulatory message.
Your Excellency, our current strategic plan is focused. Your Excellency, sir, we have made every effort for university education. We take great pride in witnessing today. They have worked hard, day and night, to promote and advance the objectives of university education by ensuring
Supreme Council of Kenya Muslims, the Embassy of Indonesia, Human Development.
in these honors and believe in the potential of our...
The Commission for University Education, NERUC Council members,
and religion. By bringing together diverse students and staff, the university...
Excellency, we have the accreditation report. To Africa, it is their commitment to research in Africa.
And resolve, Your Excellency, with the aim to serve through innovative...
To establish the National Intelligence and Research University, situated in Nairobi City.
Brigadier Wilson Boynet, Major General retired.
With the Ministry of Public Service to provide mechanisms as we develop our human capital as a nation and use it to progress as a nation. Thank you very much and congratulations.